Ahani nyinaa want our children to use the internet to learn. Na wenyina be farmers, doctors, lawyers, fishers, traders na more keka ho. Ahani nyinaa ye pede yenye friends and loved ones who bonkomu phone do without any interruptions.
Ow, yes, ow. A stable service netuma send them mobile money na come our parents of ye.
JT Trot Room or Pedosha Chelsea vs Man City game without missing a moment.
Era mana, onoze nenywa jido bo receive mobile money payment every the customers ho. Pay delay so. Eboze love talks in quoting or po. Obotuma kasa till he sleeps on the phone.
Eyumunyina is made possible because of the red, white, and grey telecommunication towers are our hen communities in Munti. Them telecommunication towers are safe or to the benefit of Obiara our community nimo. We are here, the Yabobwa. In case of any emergency biara, and now you see a theft going on, for the Ghana Police Service on 191 and now 18555. Ebotunsa for 0209 222220 and 0242 435629 and now 30 for assistance. So, welcome the telecommunication towers into the approved locations in your neighborhoods so that you can keep connecting to the people and things you love. Message Ghana Institution of Engineering and the Radiation Protection Institute and a wire endorse.